Perched atop hills like a majestic eagle's nest, commanding a jaw-dropping 270-degree panorama of the surrounding skyline. The Ohio House is a masterpiece crafted by the brilliant minds at StudioRK. From the very beginning, StudioRK had this amazing vision of making the landscape the star of the show. They didn't just want it to be some pretty backdrop. They wanted to be the foundation of the entire architectural design. And of course, they nailed it. Step inside the Ohio House and you'll find yourself in a space that is in perfect harmony with the outside world. The interior design is a masterclass in blending walls, corridors, solid void compositions, and a play of bright to shaded lighting. They range from rough to soft, creating this incredible tactile experience that'll make you want to run your hands over every surface. Every single living space in this house seamlessly integrates with the great outdoors. We are talking windows, doors, voids, terraces, balconies, and even skylights. It's like the house is giving nature a big, warm hug. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the trees and the shrubs. They are not just there to be eye candy. These green wonders are like the ultimate multitaskers. They provide privacy, shield the house from the sun's heat, and keep a constant flow of fresh, cool air coming in. StudioRK's approach is all about using landscaping and outdoor spaces to create and enhance the spatial qualities of the house, rather than just filling in the gaps. In the Ohio House, outdoor elements and landscapes aren't just there to look pretty. They are an integral part of the architecture and interior design. And the design? It's so intricate and well thought out. They have woven together different proportions of openings and shades to cater to specific activities and moods, all while making sure the house is flooded with natural light and fresh air.